everyone! How are you guys doing today? I hope you're feeling better and ready to learn something new. Today, we're going to show you how to remove or replace the battery in the honiture Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Don't worry, it's very easy and I'll guide you step by step. So, let's get started. First, make sure your vacuum cleaner is turned off and disconnected from the charging station. Safety first. Now flip the vacuum cleaner upside down. We're going to work from the bottom side. You'll need a middle-sized T-screwdriver. This is important, so make sure you have the right tool. Look for the screws along the bottom panel. They're usually easy to spot. Carefully remove all the screws around the edges. Once you do that, gently lift the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage any wires inside. Now you'll see the battery clearly. It's a 14.4-volt, 5200 milliampere mAh battery. If you're replacing it, make sure the new battery matches these specifications. Disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector. If you're installing a new one, just plug in the new battery and place it in the same position. Once that's done, reattach the bottom cover and screw everything back in securely. And that's it! You've successfully removed or replaced the battery in your honiture Q6 Pro Robot Vacuum. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me keep making more useful videos for you. I'm Engineer Abdul Muhaimin, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!